Old 93 Winnebago Brave, about 31 footer here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. You know what? She ain't new, she ain't fresh, she ain't fancy. But by God, against all odds, she's here, and she ain't all that bad, really. You know, I don't know that this is something that a first-timer is going to want to pack their family in and take the Clark W. Griswold family vacation to Wally World across the country. But if you're looking to have a reliable rig to get you back and forth to the races a couple times a year, or if you do horse trailer shows, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect for something like that. That's exactly what the previous owners used it for, actually. And they put some money into it, like they had replaced this generator. This is not the original generator that came with it. That generator is far, far newer than the rest of the thing. The previous owners went to fairs and did horse trailer shows, and that's all they did with this. They'd tow a little bumper pull trailer behind it, and this was their landing pad when they were between heats and whatnot. They put some money into her here and there, and like I said, she's not a spring chicken, but you're not going to be paying top dollar for something like this either. Naturally, it is all set for towing on the back with your receiver hitch and all your plugs and wiring and everything, so you're all set to go there. I can't see where there's ever been any leaks in it. As far as I know, all major appliances are in good working order. Folks had replaced the water pump not too long ago, so that they could have water when they were off the beaten path, you know, parked at some of these horse trailer shows. Let's step inside here. Oh, what kind of mileage was on it? Let's start there. I'm not gonna lie, I almost tripped just now. 56,062 miles, so 56,000. So it's been used, but that's pardon me. I like to lock these doors behind me when I come in. Otherwise, I tend to get surprised every now and then. If you listen to a bunch of my videos, every now and then you might hear sounds like someone's rattling on the door, like a horror movie where the bad guy is trying to get in. It's because I have the door locked behind me, so I can finish up my little video shoot here. But I mean, she's simple, nothing fancy, but again, you know, you're not paying top dollar for it. Now, all of this ceiling material here is kind of dangling down, and I don't know if they had replaced it or if it had all just started falling because maybe the glue that held this in place kind of gave up the ghost when the sun hit it. So last owners went through and just kind of tacked it up in a bunch of different places. It's not water damage. I can't find a leak because it's not stained. If you look through the ceiling, I can't find anywhere where it's been stained from water damage. The ceiling liner just fell down. And, you know, again, it's not really, there's nothing seriously wrong with it. It's just, it is what it is. You know, it's a 93 RV, and there you go. But, again, I can't find anywhere there's been a leak in here. I can't find anything that really scares me about it. It's just older, you know. It's an older motorhome. In its day, probably something really fancy and pretty cool. You know, moving through here, I'm just going to do quick passers, because anytime you're looking at something like this, in this kind of dollar range, I always recommend you come see it in person and, you know, form your own opinions. But again, this is something that I look at and I say, this is for a person who wants to, you know, tow a trailer to the fair or to a horse show, or you want to go to the races and, you know, you want to watch your favorite driver and have a couple drinks that evening. This is, to me, this is the perfect rig for something like that. It's not something you're going to go broke buying, and it runs and it drives good. That's the thing. It does its job pretty well. The refrigerator has been removed. The last owners here put a little electric-only refrigerator in there, so you kind of have an open pocket above. So that is not a gas electric refrigerator. Big closet right here, which pretty common of older RVs. They had lots of good closet space in there. You know, very normal rear bedroom, but I like all the windows back here. Lots of good light in this rear bedroom. Lots of good window space. And I just kind of keyed into the fact this has a barreled interior ceiling. The whole ceiling is actually arched to give you that little more open, in-depth feel here. So, you know, it is what it is. Not fanciest girl, but she ain't falling apart, and I don't see anything that really scares me about it. That's the, like, I walked into this looking for a reason to not like it, and I really haven't found one. I just haven't found anything that makes me go, yep, there's the problem right there. So I'd say this is just a good weekend run around, a good weekend adventure trailer for you know, you and a couple friends, something like that. Give us a call, 800-256-5196, Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. Take care, stay safe, happy camping.